All right, hello, here we are, yet again, another unboxing. Here at Canoe Club, I am by far the biggest Clarks fan. I've been wearing Wallabees a ton. I got them in a bunch of different makeups, so I think the creative team thought that I would be a good fit to do this unboxing. But before I begin, throw us a like, comment, subscribe. It goes a super long way. Now, we have a collaboration with Clarks with the designer Andersson. They are a Seoul, South Korea-based designer. Kind of cool brand identity. It's kind of Scandinavian design mixed with Korean culture. Pop over to their site and do a little read. It's a Wallaby. It has some Western detailing. The verbiage dictates it's sort of Western detailing. It's something that a space cowboy would wear. That is pretty neat. But nonetheless, we've got it in two makeups. So I'm gonna go ahead and get them both out here and just kind of point out some of the things that stand out to me, and maybe some things that make this Wallaby itself different from just the standard mainline Wallaby that you can get from Clarks. But we have this black colorway. Right off the rip, comes with 3 different sets of laces. We have like a thin round lace with this cool kind of end detailing. It's like a turquoise colored string. We have the sort of like tactical, sort of like nylon lace that you would find with like Gore-Tex Wallabies if you have tried those before. And then like a flat, almost like a wax lace here as well. So nice to switch those out. Similarly with every other Clark, they give you this sort of like tab decal sort of thing that just kind of comes tied with the laces. This time it's cut into like a sheriff badge shape. Pretty cool. And then the Clarks black suede, Clarks original underneath. We have both this smooth leather that has some sort of Western detailing embroidered on, and then the black suede leather that is really similar to just like the mainline suede. And then here on this top panel also does have the embroidery. I'm gonna try to hold this up and see if y'all are able to see, but really cool. Also worth noting, typically the lacing system is just holes through this upper. They have affixed these metal hardware. So yeah, it's just cool, kind of adds a little bit of contrast where there wouldn't be otherwise. And yeah, in particular, I like when the black Wallabies have the tonal black sole, then it's kind of just like tonal throughout. You don't have that contrast of the crepe sole, but it kind of will wear through on the bottom and on the edges as you wear the shoe. So this is the black one primarily. I'm gonna get open this other color as well. One thing that I like about Wallabies in particular is virtually no break-in time in my experience compared to another shoe that is gonna be primarily a full leather upper and hyper consistent with sizing. Like I said, I wear a ton of them. I have a bunch and have had many in the past. Here's this brown makeup. It is titled Tan Embroidery. So again, same detailing in the black, but you're gonna be able to see it a little more clearly here. Still has the metal hardware, 3 lacing systems. Again, has like tactical nylon and the flat waxed. Still these end details where they kind of tied off the end of the shoelace with like a turquoise thread. Regular crepe sole here. Again, same sole as the main line, so nothing to worry about there. Same sort of detailing. Again, a space cowboy. Anyway, I like the more monotone look. You wouldn't notice unless you notice. So that's really cool here with this black pair. But the tan's nice. And in mainline colors, they don't often do this sort of like brown tan. Usually you can get the maple suede, you can get like the yellow suede, or you can get like a smooth brown, but you don't get this like sort of mid-tone brown suede. But the Andersson Clarks, the Wallabies. With all of that, how would you envision styling these? I feel like I'm a broken record every time I do one of these videos. Oh, I'd wear it with a pair of baggy green pants or something like that. So I'm not gonna say that here. But please weigh in. If there's other unboxings you'd like to see me do, whether it's shoes, maybe there's other products you'd like to see, maybe some accessories, glasses, things like that, just tell us and somebody will put us to work, because again, we do this for you. So please weigh in. Again, like, comment, subscribe, goes a super long way for us. But yeah, I'll talk to you soon. See who picks these up.